nutritional label is broken down into three main sections. The first section is the serving size information. The information in this section is presented in a particular way. You have the household measure followed by the metric measure. It's optional to have ounces or fluid ounces immediately preceding the metric measure. And this extra bit of information just gives the consumer a better idea of what a single serving size actually is. The second component of the nutritional label is the nutrition information. This information is also presented in a particular way. The left column has the amounts for all of the different nutrients. The right column has the percent daily values for all of the different nutrients. And this is true for all of the different things that you'll see in that section except for trans fat, which doesn't have a percent daily value because that hasn't been defined. This section is also responsible for all of the different nutrient claims that you might find on the outside of the package, low fat, high in fiber. Those claims are based on the information contained in this section of the nutritional label. The final section of the nutritional label is the footnote. The footnote has information contained that calculates calories per gram of carbohydrates, fat, and protein. It also has targets for different nutrients based off of the calories in your particular diet, 2,000 or 2,500. And it also mentions that the information contained in the nutrition section of the nutritional label is based off of a 2,000 calorie diet.